what are some things you can do to prevent hearing loss? Hearing loss is quite common, and it does get more common as we get older, but there are some things you can do to help prevent this. The most important thing you can do is to protect your hearing. We live in a very noisy world. We all are involved in noisy activities such as hunting, gun ranges, noisy jobs and hobbies. If you are participating in these activities, that's fantastic, but protect your ears. Using appropriate hearing protection is going to be your best source of reducing any future hearing loss. Impact noise is quite damaging to the inner ears, and so those sorts of activities are some of the more damaging. But there are many other hobbies and activities that are commonly associated with noise exposure. Those could be simple things like just mowing the lawn, doing some woodworking activities, but also other occupations, so construction work, people who work on cars, people who work as dentists and dental hygienists are also exposed to quite a bit of noise as well. So we have many occupations that are at risk for noise exposure and perhaps don't really recognize those risks. If you are someone who is around a lot of noise, it is important to at least wear disposable hearing protection devices. Those are the little roll-up foam devices that you can get at any drugstore. It's important to follow the instructions and make sure that they're in as deeply as you can so that you get a good seal. If you are involved with a lot of noisy occupational activities, or particularly if you are using guns, it is important to also use earmuffs. The earmuffs provide a much better noise attenuation and can help protect you more so than you can get from those disposable devices. For my patients who do use guns or go hunting or go to gun ranges, I often recommend that they wear both. So that you can get a little bit more sound protection from using both the disposable and the earmuffs and get the best attenuation that you can. There are numerous other things you can do and consider when we want to talk about hearing loss prevention. Other conditions such as cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and other health conditions also contribute to hearing loss. Diabetes is now recognized as one of the most common predictors of hearing loss you can take care of and manage independently. We know that overall health is a good contributor to our hearing senses and making sure that we can maintain our hearing throughout our lifetime. Making sure that you're doing those right things by keeping yourself healthy, protecting your hearing will ensure that your hearing stays as good as we can throughout your life.